to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to work with a box of blue Knobless cylinders. This exercise develops the child's perception of dimension. It also develops the child's eye-hand coordination skills and also fine motor skills. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we're going to work with a box of blue Knobless cylinders. Watch me and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!